Annual consumption. Let's see, annual consumption is given in the question or not. Yes, 10,000 unit multiply by ordering cost of placing order or ordering cost, that is cost of placing an order 70 rupees multiply by 70 divided by CS, it means carrying or storage cost, already given annual carriage expense, that is 35 rupees divided by 35. The answer of that particular solution is EOQ 200 units. We have put it down in our main formula, that is 200. So the answer of maximum level is 1100 unit. Maximum level 1100 units. Now last question of our chapter is Raghav Limited manufactures special product Narmada. By product, the following particular we have collected for the year. Monthly demand of Narmada product. See here the word monthly demand, you have to underline monthly demand, because if you have to find out EOQ, that is economic order quantity, monthly demand is not used, but annual demand or annual consumption is used. Let's see, we have asked or EOQ or not. Yes, economic order quantity, compute from the above economic order quantity. So here 1200 multiply by 12 month, so you have get annual consumption, right? So first what we have given: monthly demand, cost of placing an order, annual carrying cost, normal usage, that is 225. Normal usage means average usage. See, again underline, normal means average. Minimum usage, average usage means average consumption. Minimum usage means minimum consumption, right? Here maximum consumption is not given, so we have to find maximum consumption first. Then reordering period, it means minimum period and maximum period is given, so average period it also find it out with this minimum and maximum. Let's say first one is economic order quantity. The formula of economic order quantity is same. AO upon CS, 2 is constant, multiply by 12, because we have to find out annual consumption. Here monthly consumption is given, so multiply by 12, and monthly demand is 1200, so 1200 multiply by OO means ordering cost, that is directly given in the question, 225 divided by cost of placing an order or cost per unit, right? It is already given in the question, cost per unit 39 divided by 39, so the economic order quantity is 408 units, right? Now what we have asked, number of order to be placed in a year. You have to underline in a year. So the formula of number of orders is total consumption in a year divided by EOQ. Total consumption, that is 14,400. How it comes? 12 month, and every month 1200 units. So the answer is answer of annual consumption in a year is 14,400 upon EOQ. We have already find it out, EOQ 408. So the number of order is around 35 order to be placed in a year. So the answer of number of order is 35. It means in a year, in a 1 year, you have to place 35 order. Now the next one is reordering level. See, the reordering level, the formula is again same, maximum consumption multiplied by maximum reordering period. Here I have already told you that maximum consumption is not given. You have to find maximum consumption, because all other detail is given but maximum consumption is not given. So on the basis of normal usage and minimum usage, that is normal average consumption and minimum consumption, you have to find maximum consumption. Again, average consumption is equal to minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. So the average consumption is 225, minimum consumption 150 plus maximum divided by 2. The answer of that particular solution is 300 units. So we have already find maximum consumption, that is 300 units. Now the next what we have asked, reordering level, right? So in the formula of reordering level, maximum consumption, here already we have find it out, maximum consumption, that is 300 unit plus, sorry, multiply by maximum period. So maximum period is also given in the question, reorder period, that is minimum 1 and maximum 5. So we have to multiply it with 5. So the answer of ordering level is 1500 units, right? Now next, maximum level. Again the formula of maximum level is same, ordering level minus in bracket minimum consumption multiplied by minimum period plus ordering quantity or EOQ, whatever given in the question, right? Ordering level already find out, 1500 minus in bracket minimum consumption or minimum usage already given in the question, 150 units multiply by minimum period, that is also again given in the question, multiply by 1 week multiply by 1 plus EOQ, we have already find it out, 408. So answer of maximum level is 175 units. Now the next and last level of our chapter, that is minimum level. Again the formula of minimum level is ordering level minus average consumption multiplied by average period. See, we have already find it out, ordering level, that is 1500 units minus average consumption. Let's say average consumption is given in the question or not. Yes, I already told you that normal usage means average consumption 225. We have put it down in our formula, 225 multiplied by average period. Yes, average period is also not given in the question, but minimum period and maximum period is given. So minimum plus maximum divided by 2, it means 1 plus 5, 6 divided by 2 is the answer of average period, that is 3 weeks is the average period. So the ordering level minus 675, the answer of that particular solution is 825 units. Here our first chapter of cost accounting is over. So the remaining question you have to write it down in your homework, and if you have any doubts then directly ask to me, right? In our next lecture we have start labor cost. If you have any material of labor cost, then keep it with you.